All right, so we are going to continue our last exercise here in chapter 8. We're going to draw with the PLINE, or what we call the polyline tool. And to do this, as we're looking at the drawing, it's going to make it very simple for us to do this by using our grid. So I'm going to first come down here using my snap mode and grid. So I'm going to come in and make some settings here. Now, uh, as I look at this, my snap on my X spacing, because I do have a couple of half-inch dimensions, so using my snap spacing of half an inch will be good. I'm going to go ahead and change my grid spacing here to 1. I just kind of like to use 1 as my grid. We'll go ahead and set that up. So we've got that. And as far as my, I'll turn my snap mode on here as well, so I can kind of get that. And I'm going to actually turn object snaps off for right now. So I don't want my object snaps on. I'm just going to use my grid and my snap mode to do this particular drawing. And we're going to go ahead and make the assumption that the lower left-hand corner of the drawing starts at 0, 0. So I'm going to come right up here. We're going to create our line, and I'm going to start this. Now notice I'm already kind of clicking in, so I can start right here at 0, 0. And now it's just a matter of kind of picking up on that. So we're at 3 here. This goes up 1. We're back over 1.5, back down 1, and then we're over 2 from here. Now this is where we need to change. So I'm at this line, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to an arc. Now this arc then is a 1.5-inch radius, so that will be a 3-inch diameter spacing here. So we'll 3 inches there. Now notice I'm still in that arc, so it'll still want to give me some type of an arc here on this. So that's not what I want. So I'm going to right click again and go back to the line here, and now we can come right over to 4.5. Click that. I'm about done, so I right click and hit close, and it'll automatically close out for me. There's my PLINE. I'm finished, so I can go ahead and file save as, and of course we want to save this as PLINE. We'll do it in all caps. PLINE1 hyphen your first initial, your last name. So get that saved. And we're finished with the PLINE drawing.